welcome to School of English. In this lesson, we're going to study the use of when and while in past continuous tense and their variations. Now, in past continuous, point of reference could be another event stated either in simple past tense or in past continuous tense. See, we need to have another event as point of reference. It's a sentence, it's a time clause, past time clause. It can be, and the tense of that sentence can be either in simple past or past continuous. As a simultaneous past action. Simultaneous, happening at the same time. The most common introductory words in this respect are when and while. So let's jump in the examples. In the first sentence, we can use when my father arrived. It can be used as the second sentence if you like. Use the main clause at the beginning, when clause as the second sentence. When my father arrived, I was watching TV. When my father arrived is our point of reference, and the tense of the point of reference is simple past tense. You can also say, I was watching TV when my father arrived. Okay? Let's have a look at the second example. When she dressed up, we left for the party. Look, here we don't have past continuous tense. What happens in that case if we use it in this way? When she dressed up, we left for the party. Here we cannot talk about simultaneous actions or events. First she dressed up, then we left for the party. Okay? This event, this action follows the action in the past time clause. Okay? Let's have a look at the other example. While or when I was sleeping, you see that? Using past continuous is not excluded to while. It can also be used when, but commonly we use while as past continuous tense. While I was sleeping, I heard a noise. Or when I was sleeping, I heard a noise. So here our point of reference is I heard a noise. What was happening at that moment? I was sleeping. Let's move on. I washed the dishes while she cleaned the table. Again, here we have two simultaneous actions, both indicated by simple past tense. This is a possible combination. Let's have a look at the last example. While I was having breakfast, he was getting dressed. You can also use as instead of while, meaning while. As I was having breakfast, he was getting dressed. You see, both of the sentences can be in past continuous tense. They are each other's point of reference in that case. They are happening at the same time, simultaneously. They are in progress at the same time. Okay? We studied the combinations of when and while. That's it for this part. See you in the upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching.